In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount on QuickBooks Online subscription. If you're thinking about signing up for QuickBooks Online, there's a good chance you don't actually need to pay full price. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a few simple ways to look for discounts so you can start your subscription while keeping more money in your pocket. First, you'll want to head straight to the official QuickBooks website. Open your browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage, then navigate to the section where they list their plans and pricing. On that page, look carefully for any banners or messages about promotions. QuickBooks frequently runs deals like Save 70% for 3 months or similar limited time offers, especially for new subscribers. These offers may change from month to month, so it's worth taking a moment to scroll through the page and read the details before you choose a plan. Make sure you understand how long the discount lasts and what the price will be after the promotional period ends. After checking the website, the next step is to contact the QuickBooks sales department directly. You can find their sales contact information on the QuickBooks site. When you reach out, let them know you're a new user considering QuickBooks Online and ask if there are any promotions or special pricing that aren't shown on the website. Sometimes companies test new offers or provide phone-only deals, and you won't see these just by browsing online. Be polite but clear that you're comparing options and would like to know the best available price for a new subscription. Take notes on what they offer so you can compare it to the online promotion you found earlier. Finally, consider using a referral link. Many accounting professionals, bookkeepers, and financial coaches partner with QuickBooks and have access to special referral pricing. These links can sometimes give you a better deal than what's publicly advertised or extend a discount for a longer period. To find one, check with your accountant if you have one, or look for reputable professionals who mention that they offer QuickBooks referral links, often in their blogs, websites, or video descriptions. When you click a referral link, you should see the discounted pricing right on the QuickBooks sign-up page before you enter any payment details. By checking the official site, talking with sales, and exploring referral links, you give yourself the best chance of getting QuickBooks Online at a lower cost as a new user.